Officers can't just start physically manipulating items they claim are in plain view because you have a stronger case to argue that it was not immediately apparent that it was criminal in any way for them to try to use that against you under the plain view exception. Another example, what if a cop tries to climb a tree and peer into your second floor bedroom and look through binoculars or some other item to see if they find any type of contraband or anything illegal? In that situation, the court would rule that to be an unlawful vantage point. Why? Because this is unusual. If any other regular person would be up in a tree looking at what's going on, this would be like a peeping Tom situation, and we would immediately call the cops on them. So in that situation, the cops can't pull a peeping Tom technique and try to claim that it's reasonable and it was a normal vantage point. That won't work, and it would be thrown out in court. So how do you protect yourself from cops claiming they can seize whatever they want in plain view? If you somehow let cops into your home, or cops force their way into your home claiming that they have a search warrant, it's really important that you make it crystal clear you do not consent to any area of your home that is not expressly provided for in that search warrant. In other words, if the search warrant allows it, you can't do anything about it. But if the search warrant doesn't specifically articulate it, you do not consent to it. If you can, record that conversation. Make sure everything is articulated here, and because otherwise cops will claim you just gave them consent to search everything. You always have a right to keep your private areas private. If you somehow allowed cops into your living room, don't consent to let them go into your bedroom or your bathroom or anywhere else. Make it clear that area of the house is off limits and you don't consent to it.